Маньяна. Фиеста маньяна. Друзья, вот так пришли информационное бюро, но здесь у нас закрыто. Ага. Белофлор. Лос Пак.
Los Escoriales. But then they talk.
Друзья мои, в общем, вот здесь находимся в какой-то штуке, и Сара говорит, что здесь вот одна женщина что-то делала, но я так и, честно говоря, не совсем понял, что она делала. Но интересное, своеобразное такое место. Вот, вода здесь стоит. Вот такие вот прогулочки совершаем. Сейчас идем с Сарой на Монтанья. Go to Монтанья. Вот такие вот у нас дела. Здесь, видите, какой-то аппарат стоит непонятный.
So now you know a lot of things, right? Because you visit many things, so you know.
Ходим с нашей деревушки, Виллофлор называется наша деревушка, и будем, видите, тормозить машину. О, вот так вот. Сразу машина остановилась. Пачанго.
I think we go to kilometer 65 to Peisa-Eluna.
Okay.
So what the name are you go?
Las Layas,
Las
zona
Layas.
recreativa on this road.
Okay.
I
And
don't
what do you know what it is?
know. What?
What is? You speak English or Spanish or
English.
English?
Yeah. It's nearby from here. I think it's 7 kilometers from here. So.
Teiде. Okay.
And you want to go to where?
It's called Paisaje Lunares. It's like on the moon, you know, something like the landscape, like a moon landscape.
Yeah.
And they say.
We was there yesterday.
Oh yes.
Yes, really nice place.
Yes.
With a nice view on Teiде.
Oh nice, yes. And did you do all around? You walk all around?
We rent a motorcycle yesterday and went a motor.
Oh wow. You have beautiful views from here, right?
Yeah, we are living on the campsite near the beach.
Oh
and
yes.
there is a lot of clouds. So now we going up to the clouds and we have sun here.
Good. So good. Now it was 67 kilometers or 65, I don't know. But yeah, I don't believe the beach has the cloud and here we have the sun.
It's 22 centigrades there, but there's clouds.
Oh,
no
and
sun
which beach are you?
Las Teitas, Montaña Roja.
Montaña Roja. Yes, near El Medano.
El Medano.
Okay, so cloudy. 2 days ago also was cloudy. You were there 2 days ago? Two days ago.
Here, no.
No?
Yesterday we went.
Oh, you went to Montaña Roja?
2 days ago?
Yes.
Yesterday was sunny.
Yes.
On Montaña Roja, yeah.
And but day before, no sun. I was in Montaña Roja day before.
Maybe.
No sun. So you stay a long time?
2 weeks, but tomorrow we fly back.
Oh, finished.
Yeah.
And was nice?
Yeah, it was very nice here, being here. First time, a lot of views, nice, and yeah, great.
Yeah.
Great.
And good sun.
We climb here, ride on bike, ride on motorcycle, ride by car.
Everything.
Everything.
Oh, is it here 65? I don't know. Is it here?
If you want to go to this moon place, I think it's higher.
Higher? Yes. She said to me you have to go kilometer 65, but I don't know.
65 on this road?
Yes. So we were 67, so I don't know where exactly. We will see. But where you go is further, is after where you go?
I don't know exactly. I think it's there.
Oh.
Las Layas. Zona recreativa, car park. Nice place there.
So also after you will hike?
Yeah.
Also.
Yeah, we want to go somewhere for football.
Okay.
65.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
So maybe after the curve or something. She said something after the curve. Jeez, I don't know where.
Вот так вот, друзья, едем.
Or maybe, I don't know, because we don't see any entrance here. Maybe it's after the curve. 65 is here. Or maybe that? No. You have no idea? I don't know really.
Проехали нормально уже. Удивляется. Это мы все пешком хотели еще пройти.
We saw the moon place yesterday with the
Maybe it's here? No.
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 It's a corona forestal here, so there is a tree, lot of trees there.
Yes.
And yeah, behind the trees, up, there is a lot of views, like yeah, in the caldera, inside the caldera, there is a lot of views, like on the moon.
Okay.
There. But here is a hood, like
Good. I don't know.
a lot of tree here.
I don't know
ain't
because
seen
now,
nothing like this.
now I don't see where it is. Nobody can tell. Because you don't have a sign. I was thinking we see. She said kilometer 65, and then I think okay we see a sign, but there is now
Here
64.
we have a 64.
So it's not. I don't know.
And not
Or maybe Los Escuriales. Maybe. I don't even take the map. I didn't take the map. I don't know. I left the map in the hotel. So.
I think if you want to see the moon
Что тут
views,
сказать?
Yes.
like a moon, you must go up
Up.
into the caldera. Inside to the caldera with the view on Teyde, and there is a lot of not tree, but a lot of like in the moon. Like on
Okay.
the,
Red rocks.
yeah,
Red
exactly.
rocks. Yes. Okay, we'll see. We discover.
Full pachanga. Full pachanga.
What do you call caldera? What do you call? It's a city.
Caldera, no, caldera is like the old crater of the volcano.
Oh.
Like
Oh.
maybe
Okay.
maybe here. I don't know. If you want views like this, only clouds there.
Wow.
Czemu oni
Yeah.
robią zdjęcia?
Oh, we are lucky. We are above the clouds.
Yeah.
Wow. Like
Yeah,
in a.
because
Друзья,
on the
смотрите,
beach, on the
облака
Las
закрыли.
Americas and there is cloudy.
Also.
Yeah,
Wow.
about 20 is I think is the temperature is higher than here,
Yes, but cloudy.
no sun.
Oh, so no good.
Here is this is the best place for being and sun.
Yes,
Yeah.
perfect. Very
So if
good.
you want, you ain't saw a Teyde mountain, the volcano. You ain't saw,
You ain't?
not see.
No.
You not see the volcano.
No.
Okay. So if ile my tam będziemy mieć? 53 mamy teraz. Ale Slajas jest kawałeczek, to może chociaż ich podwieziemy tam na ten widok, co? To jest raptem 2 km może wyżej. Okay, I will drive you, pick you up to the place with the look, and after that you will go by footpath
Yes?
or something if you want.
Okay.
We show you the map.
Yes.
Because I never go to mountain without the map.
Yes, you know, also we went to tourism information, but yesterday closed, today closed. It's too small, too small.
Spanish, Spanish style.
Yes.
Fiesta!
Маньяна, маньяна.
Ah, see, mañana.
Maybe tomorrow.
Now they say it's like if you are flying in the sky.
Yeah.
It's true. It's like if you're in a plane. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Wow. Super nice.
Какая красота, друзья.
We are like in a plane. And the sky is totally blue, like perfect blue. The man told me in the hotel we'll stay in Villa Flor, in the hotel, and the man told me always in the morning
Буду вам
sunny.
пока красоты показывать.
Yeah, I ride this morning about 8 a.m. By motorcycle this road.
Yes?
Very nice, and the mountain was red because the sun was shiny.
Yes.
Sun.
Yes, shining.
Shiny.
Yes.
And the mountain here was red, totally red.
Wow.
Yeah.
Also in the evening, also same with the sun in the evening, La Montaña Roja is even more red.
Yeah.
Even.
Montaña Roja is red exactly because it's red.
Is red.
Montaña Roja
Yes.
is a red mountain. Exactly, but.
But even in the evening, with the sun, it's even nicer, I think. Even. It's amazing. Wow. That's super nice.
Друзья, смотрите, облака полностью все закрыли, видите. Небо сверху, облака внизу лежат. Притом таким конкретным слоем.
Zaraz będzie Los Layes. Ona jest dosłownie kilometr przed tym skrzyżowaniem, na którym byliśmy wczoraj.
So you see a lot of people from Poland? I have met a lot, huh?
We met a lot of people from Poland
Yeah.
in the biggest cities, Las Americas. There's a lot of Polish people there.
Yes.
Near the beach, yeah? But in
Okay.
mountain, no.
No.
In mountain, only German, and British people.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I see a lot of people really good in hiking, you know, good hiking shoes and.
Yeah. There is this is the border of the caldera.
Okay.
Behind this mountain, behind this border, there is a really nice view on the volcano.
Oh, excellent. Is it what they call Las Cañadas del Teide?
Las Cañadas. Yeah, this is behind this mountain.
Yes.
There is a terrain like this, like a table,
Uh-huh.
and in the center of this table there is a volcano.
Oh, okay. Oh.
And the caldera is this mountain around the this table, this Las Cañadas.
Uh-huh.
Around this there is a mountain, and this is a caldera.
Oh, okay.
This mountain.
And in the middle, you have
in
the
the
Teide.
middle is table and the volcanoes.
And
in the center of
yes.
this.
But Teide is a volcano?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like a dreaming volcano.
Sleeping. Dreaming. It's funny. Maybe it's dreaming also. To become a new mountain. Oh. Do you know if he makes noise? Like sometimes he makes noise? Or if he's sleeping he's not making noise?
She told me that from the inside of the volcano there is a hot
Lava?
No,
Hot
hot
air.
air and
hot air inside, from inside,
oh.
and
Parysianki. Something chemical.
Oh, soufre, non? Soufre, non?
maybe sulfur. In Poland, siarka. Siarka is some kind of
SE.
SE, like on the
On the
Mendeleev
Yeah, on the
chemical.
chemical. Maybe it's soufre. SE is soufre. Maybe I don't know the chemical table, but yeah, maybe. SE. I need to write.
There is some kind of this SE from inside, but not. Oh, this is Las Layas.
Ah, that's where you go.
Zona recreativa, yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. And somewhere here is the footpath to the caldera.
Okay.
I will drop you on the car park.
Uh-huh.
There is a nice place to making photo there.
Okay.
And a lot of cars staying. So if you want the stop,
Yes.
next place, I think is the best place for the you know, met some somebody who will pick you there
Okay. So what we will ask to people to go to TEIDE or
I will show you, okay?
Yes, yes.
On the map.
yes.
We stop and I will show you.
Thank you
Good.
very much. Thank you a lot.
Жінкою барза.
Yes, yes.
Villa Flor here, we here. We
I
can.
think it's the best way to go to the Telefrico and after that going back to Viraflor.
Yes, yes,
Is
yes, yes.
here you want to you are going up to here. This is like a mountain, yeah.
Yes.
So you will walk up, yeah.
Oh, up.
And after down, after to Villaflor going down.
Down.
So from here to here going up this mountain, and
Yeah.
after that going from this place going down.
Такая чудесная красота, бана моя. Просто смотрите, вулканы, вулканы, вулканы. Вот это все лава, это все лава.
Down, yeah?
Okay, okay.
Exactly. So I think this is the 131
Yes.
from Villaflor. I think maybe to here, out to here. I don't know because the is here 131 here, and I don't know is it going there or
Yes.
there.
Yes, but at least we can. We are here, so we can hitchhike to here and then.
Try or make us stop some.
Yes. Yes.
We are going here to Las Layas, and after that we are going here on here on here.
Oh,
and back
also.
to here. Yeah.
Okay.
Так, друзья, мы едем дальше. Вот, сделали остановку. Сейчас идем. А как зовут тебя?
Florin.
Флорин, да? А what is your name?
Nadia.
Надя. Надя и Флорин забирают нас, и мы едем
And you?
выше в сторону. Сара,
Sarah.
Анзор.
Zor.
Анзор. Вот. Такие вот приключения у нас сегодня. Смотрим, сейчас, наверное, доедем куда-то. Куда-то доберемся.
In fact,
Человек из Румынии говорит на русском языке.
Мало говорит.
Мало говорит по-русски. Бабушка, я так понял, научила говорить по-русски, а так, да. В Румынии был.
Надо говорить даже по-русски. Надо в Нью-Йорке говорить по-русски.
А, надо в Нью-Йорк ехать.
Потому что полно русских есть.
Да.
Потом
Насколько долго здесь или как?
пьян.
9 дней. Ага, 9 дней, да. До этого были или первый раз сейчас? Первый.
Сейчас первый раз.
Понравилось? Нравится все?
Вот сейчас хорошо.
Да.
У нас зима в Нью-Йорке.
А, так ты с Нью-Йорка сейчас?
Да.
А,
Полметра снегу есть.
ага. Ну да.
It's very cold over there.
you live in New York?
Yeah?
Oh, so you come from New York now?
Yep.
Wow, so you have jet lag.
I think it's gone.
But how long have you?
Thursday.
Since Thursday, but no matter what, we're doing crazy hours at work, and we work like 14, 16 hours a day.
Oh wow.
And we're pretty good on changing hours and
That's-
schedules, and very flexible.
Yeah.
Very good.
It's requested to work in New York, otherwise I don't know.
But
I mean, it's a different style of life. It's crazy because you're just running, and then
Yeah.
waiting for some vacation.
yeah, exactly.
When it comes, it's too short.
And how many weeks do you have? Like
1 week.
No, just
one week.
Yeah.
1 weekend, like 9 days.
9 days. Wow.
You?
I have 2 weeks.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And answer.
Так,
Lunares,
буду
se llama
экономить
lunares en
батарею,
español.
попозже на связь.
But then
Пачанга
we
полная,
missed the
бана,
point. We didn't